Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create and send an order cancellation request as a seller using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. You'll also learn how the buyer reviews and responds to the cancellation request. To begin, open the sales register and locate the corresponding sales order. Under the order log, select the Order Response tab, then click New to create a new order response. To initiate an order cancellation request, the seller needs to select the rejected response for the buyer. Toggle on the Remark button, enter the necessary cancellation details, and click Send to submit the order cancellation request to the buyer. A confirmation message will appear, showing the order cancellation request has been sent successfully. On the buyer's side, click Sync e-order status to retrieve the seller's order cancellation request. Next, go to Purchases Register and open the corresponding purchase order. Select the Order Response tab, click the response code to review the seller's cancellation request. Click Accept to proceed and a confirmation message will appear, and the acceptance status will be sent to the seller. The system will automatically create an order cancellation transaction and send it to the seller. Back on the seller's side, open the corresponding sales order and navigate to the order log. Select the Order Cancellation tab to view the buyer's response. If the request has been accepted, the seller must click Accept to apply the agreed changes to the main sales order. A pop-up window will appear. Click OK to confirm. The sales order status will then be updated to Cancelled in the Order Response tab. Once the sales order has been cancelled, it can no longer be converted into an invoice. If you attempt to convert a cancelled order, the system will display a validation message indicating that the action is not allowed. You've successfully learned how to create and send an order cancellation request as a seller using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.